They're expecting you to know how to take the lead and problem solve and figure things out, and so the education that you get at the Purdue Polytechnic Institute is just perfect for those types of jobs. My degree from Purdue prepared me for my success at Eaton because it really helped me to think for myself. Everything we do at Eaton is hands-on. They're expecting you to know how to take the lead and problem solve and figure things out, and so the education that you get at the Purdue Polytechnic Institute is just perfect for those types of jobs. Whether you're going into engineering, whether you're going into sales or operations, every day I see how a Purdue Polytechnic Institute degree can really help you at your success at Eaton, at any big company, at any company in general. That hands-on learning and that technical aspect really helps you. I am using those problem-solving skills and the soft skills that I learned and developed while as a student at Purdue. I chose to major in manufacturing engineering technology because I was just fascinated by the processes side of engineering. And you really get some hands-on experience in the lab, whether it's designing, whether it's integrating, you get to build hands-on. So that's really why I picked manufacturing. I did internships while I was at Purdue with Eaton. After my sophomore year, I went out to Beltsville, Maryland, and I was a design engineer on the aerospace team. And after my junior year, I went out to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where I was a sales intern, and I loved sales. So when I graduated, I knew I wanted to stay with Eaton. It's a phenomenal company, and I wanted to join sales. So I did their leadership development program, where I spent 18 months in Atlanta, Georgia, training and developing to prepare me for my next role, which is currently in Houston, Texas, as a distributor sales specialist. Eaton has an awesome internship program, and we're looking for Purdue Polytechnic students. You can visit us whenever we're on campus at job fairs. You can always go to eaton.com/careers and see if there might be a fit for you. And anyone can always feel free to reach out to me directly as a resource, but Eaton has an awesome internship program, and we're a huge partner with Purdue. You have to be adaptable to change. In the 2 years that I've been working full-time at Eaton, I can't tell you how many changes I went through, whether it's changes in management, market changes, the economy's going up and down, it's very cyclical. There's a lot of change in industry, and you have to be able to adapt. And when you're studying at the Purdue Polytechnic Institute, they give you those tools to be able to take change and run with it and make the best of the changes that come. Cultural awareness is important to work at a company like Eaton because we have over 100,000 employees and offices and plants all over the world. And a lot of times people that come from leadership development programs and want to fast track to management get sent overseas. And so you really need to have that awareness and experience dealing with people of different cultures, different ethnicities, people that aren't like you, because it's very important to your success moving up in any company. Purdue Polytechnic graduates are prepared to enter the world and be successful in industry because you're armed with the tools for success, from critical thinking, problem solving, leadership. There's a lot of teamwork and group involvement. You always have an opportunity to be a leader, to lead the group, to pull things together and be successful. So there's no doubt in my mind that all Polytechnic students are successful and armed for success after graduation. Hi, I'm Erika. I graduated from Purdue in 2014. I work at Eaton, and I'm a techie.